Everyone's got a plan until they get punched in the face.
The difference really is, I think, the tonality. It's the way that you say it, because, you know, how I'm speaking with you guys and how we're running through it, it's like, it's very sort of laid back, and I'm just kind of staying on one tonality, and I'm not like, you know, like you said, fluctuating highly at the end and speaking really fast. And bad sales guys tend to do that just to try and get a sale over the line. And that's what I noticed was wrong with my pitch in the very beginning, is going really fast, trying to get through the close very quickly, right? So it's not as uncomfortable for me. And that's why I was losing out on a lot of deals.
And that's what we talk about, being in the uncomfortable zone. It's like Mike Tyson's things, like everyone's got a plan until they get punched in the face.
There's no one like me. I'm from Nairclaw. There's no one that can match me. My style is impetuous. My defense is impregnable. And I'm just ferocious. I want your heart. I want to eat his children.
And it's the same thing with salespeople. Everyone's got a plan until they get their first objection, and then they get into panic. They feel like they're in deep water immediately, and they start to scramble, and their tonality and their cadence and their pace in which they speak dramatically changes because they get flustered. Oh shit, he's telling me no, this thing's gonna unwind and I'm not gonna get it. And that's when you just be cool. Okay, cool, like what makes you say that? Why did you book this call in? Hey guys, if you enjoyed this video, make sure that you click the like button and subscribe. We're dropping a video on YouTube every other day. And if you've got any questions about any of the content that I covered in this video, just basically leave a comment with hashtag heysabri in the comment section. And every week we're also trying to go through all those questions and get them answered. So go ahead, click subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.